Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at this pendant by Golden Lighting. Model number is 1157-M1L and it's in black. First we have some instructions on how to install it. Next we have some hardware. We have a long chain and it's in, looks like black matte finish. Looks pretty cool. We have the cap also in a nice black matte finish. And this is where you'll hang your light from. You got a couple of screws so you can mount this onto your light socket. And you have this where you're gonna hang your light from. And you don't have to open the chain. All you have to do is use these that open and close. So that's very useful for your wires. And here it's the light. It doesn't come with a light bulb, but that gives you a better opportunity to choose your own light bulb and either LED, incandescent, whatever light bulb you want to use, you can use on this one. I like that the wire is also black, so it nicely blends in with the chain. On this end you'll have your other hook connecting it with your chain. And this screws in here. So as you can see, there's the very nice matte finish on the light. And this is glass. It's heavy enough. And let's measure it. This measures around 8 3/4 from here to here. But the actual pendant, if you want to measure from up here, it's about 15 inches from the very bottom to this point here. So let's say you want to You don't want to use the whole chain. The minimum space would be right around here. So let's measure that. It's about 18 inches. From side to side is about 8 inches. And you have plenty of space for a light bulb. You have about 5 inches, so you can put those old vintage or the regular LEDs, a smart bulb. Hope you like this video. I hope it helps you make a decision. Thank you and enjoy.